The foldable iPhone is expected to be one of Apple's most ambitious smartphones yet, introducing a premium design that transforms from a regular phone into a tablet-sized device. According to recent leaks, the device will likely feature a book-style foldable design with a 7.8-inch internal display when opened and a 5.5-inch cover screen when closed, offering a larger multitasking and media experience similar to a small tablet. It is also rumored to use a durable titanium frame and advanced hinge technology designed to minimize the visible crease on the screen, along with powerful hardware, such as an A-series flagship chip, around 12 gigabytes of RAM, and a high-end camera system optimized for photography and productivity. The foldable iPhone is widely expected to launch around September 2026, possibly alongside the iPhone 18 series, with a premium price estimated above $2,000, placing it firmly in the ultra-flagship category.